I don't think that's how we look at it. Obviously, having KQ before is really phenomenal. But you know, when we built this team post KQ, we already are, envisioning what we want to be moving forward, and that's to have a group of guys, collectively playing together, knowing their roles. Yes, Jacob made clutch threes again, but Jacob mentioned what Luis did. Those blocks really changed the trajectory of what we did. Those things that Noy does. Hindi nga siya nagamit the series against NU, but he was ready. Yes. I think that's a big win for us as a team. You get more depth, with these guys always being ready. I think Mike was an example of being a servant leader. He shared the other day about the MVP race, and yes, he didn't get it, but what he shared with us was, sabi sa kanya, hindi bibigay sa'yo kasi hindi ka pa ready. So, yun yung naging fuel din namin. So, as you can see, Mike was not the Mike at the start of the season where he was always asking for the ball, but now Mike became a factor for these guys. So, I think collectively, that's what's really not only giving us wins, but getting us through this very, very challenging times in this season.